This is Holiday Coro static red-green laser. Now, in the red-green laser kit, you have a metal stake. As you can see here, this is optional. You can use this or not use this. There's a variety of different ways to mount that. We have a switching power supply, not a transformer, but a switching power supply with a removable power connection. This is actually going to be 12 volts, 1 amp. All right, then we have the laser itself. You can see the red and green laser outputs. If for some reason you did need to block one or the other, you could put a block over that. Now it is IP65, and that does not mean that you can soak it directly in water. So if you think of using this in ponds or in pools or anything like that, that is not an acceptable use. It's intended for seasonal outdoor use. All right, and we have a mounting base, and you can see that this can be mounted in a variety of directions. It can be pointed straight up, it can be moved to the side, and these can be tightened in the location you want. So this can also be removed. So if you need to put it inside of something, like drop it inside of a hole, you can do that too and remove the entire structure. And this hole in the bottom allows you to mount the stake if you so choose. Now, to wire it up, it's real simple. We simply just take the included power cord, plug it in. You can see that it's got a keyed connection. You plug it in, and there is a wire nut that allows you to attach this permanently on there so it won't come loose. Now, the power transformer, or the actual switching power supply, is not waterproof. It's not intended for you to put it directly outdoors, so you will need to mount this in a location that is somewhat protected. So usually a baggie or other type of device will be sufficient. So let's go ahead and power the unit up. So here we go. Simply apply 120 volts, and you can see the pattern. So let's go ahead and take a look at the output that it produces. So here we can see, and we've still got a little bit of lights on here so that our camera is able to pick this up. As you can see, it makes a single pattern. It does not move. We do have another unit that is moving that will actually cause them to move. Several other warnings about this unit. You cannot run this unit for longer than 2 hours continuously without a 15-minute break. So please be aware of that limitation. You can hook it up to a controller. If you need to hook it up to a traditional AC switching controller, you can do that. Of course, you would not want to try to dim this unit. It is not intended to dimmed, but if you just need to turn it on in certain parts of your song and turn it off, that works perfectly fine. Again, this is the Holiday Coro RGB static laser outdoor kit.